Oh, before you started.
She a freak in the sheets.
Hey, it's Hobby Mac. I'm here with Selena Ivy. How's it going?
I'm amazing.
You're amazing. This is great. So, how's your experience? What's your favorite thing about these award ceremonies?
I love seeing everybody in all their glitz and glamour and their best dressed, and it's really hot.
It is really hot, and especially me. I'm doing my little sit down, my lazy day.
You look very cool, though. You look like you belong in that chair.
I belong in this
That
chair.
chair was made for you.
We belong here. We belong together. I probably have known you maybe longer than anybody in this industry. Maybe I don't know.
Have you and I think Dwayne Fox, and that's it. Yeah. Actually, I think I met you. I may have met you before I started doing.
Oh, before you started.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. When you were just like a dancer.
Yes.
A dancer.
Yes.
Many names.
Yeah.
Social media kept on changing. I remember
I do ballet.
ballet. I'm a dancer. So, and you have some things you're looking forward to this year. What is that?
As far as like projects.
Yeah, projects.
I don't know. I just getting more scenes, showing up. I love being on set and cool people.
I like that too.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Maybe I'm not like that. I love being on set and I love people. I haven't combined it yet. You
Yet.
know?
Keep
I haven't
it
combined. Oh, everybody always try to get me on set. I think Okay,
Is
no,
Hobby Mac gonna be
no,
him?
no, no,
Come
no,
up
no,
with something?
no, behind closed doors, secret.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I am Javi Mac, Kiss and Tell.